our new series Learn German Easily. In this lesson, we will be learning numbers from 0 to 99. This is the first part of our number system. First, we will learn 0 to 12 numbers. Once you get the numbers from 0 to 12, rest of the numbers you can form with the logic. I'll teach you how to form a number with the logic. First, we will learn numbers from 0 to 12. 0 is null, 1 is eins, 2 is zwei, 3 is drei, 4 is vier, 5 is fünf, 6 is sechs, 7 is sieben, 8 is acht, 9 is neun, 10 is zehn, 11 is elf, 12 is zwölf. Now you can pause the video and you can repeat all the numbers from 0 to 12. Now we will learn how to form numbers from 13 to 19. All the numbers from 13 to 19, they have same logic. We'll see few examples. 3 plus 10 is 13. 3 is drei, 10 is zen. So drei plus zen, drei zen. So what you have to do, you only have to write these two numbers together. That is drei zen. We'll try to write one more number. 4 plus 10 is 14. 4 is vier, 10 is zen. Vier plus zen, vier zen. Now number 16 and number 17, these two numbers are exceptions. As 16 is 6 plus 10, 6 is sechs, 10 is zen. So according to logic, it must be sechs zen. But instead of sechs zen, it is sechs zen. You can observe here the spelling. Similarly, 17. 17 is 7 plus 10. 7 is sieben, 10 is zen. So sieben plus zen. So instead of sieben zen, it is siebzen. We will see one more example. 9 plus 10 is 19. 9 is neun, 10 is zen. 9 plus zen, neun zen. 20 is zwanzig. From 21 onwards, logic is a bit different. 1 plus 20 is 21. 1 is eins and 20 is zwanzig. So 21 is ein und zwanzig. Und is and in German. So 1 and 20 is 21. That is why ein und zwanzig. Here you can notice instead of eins, only ein is written. Same logic you have to follow for rest of the numbers up to 99. We will see few more examples. 2 plus 20 is 22. 2 is zwei, 20 is zwanzig. 2 and 20, zwei und zwanzig is 22. 6 plus 20 is equal to 26. So 6 is sechs, 20 is zwanzig. So 6 and 20, sechs und zwanzig. 9 plus 20 is 29. 9 is neun, 20 is zwanzig. 9 und zwanzig. 9 and 20, 9 und zwanzig. 30 is dreißig. 40 is vierzig. 50 is fünfzig. 60 is sechzig. 70 is siebzig. 80 is achtzig. 90 is neunzig. Here you can see number 60 and number 70. These two numbers are exceptions. Now few numbers are there. Just try to write down how we will just call these numbers in German. Five plus 30 is 35. 6 plus 40 46. 7 plus 50 57. 8 plus 60 68. 9 plus 70 79. Few numbers are there on screen. Just try to write down numbers in German. I hope you got the numbers from 0 to 99. Thank you for watching the video.